What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Pomni from the amazing digital circus. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top and go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye and then pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top. I want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Let's raise the right eyelid. We're going to start on the bottom left, curve this up and then down, and we'll fill that area in black. Let's draw two small circles in the center of each eye. So we'll start on the left, going all the way around, and up, and then we'll line this up on the right. Let's separate the sections inside the pupils. We're going to start with a straight horizontal line going across. And we'll go back and draw an X. We're going to come down and across in the opposite direction. Let's add those three lashes above the right eye, starting in the center with the short line. Add one more angling out. Now I want to tuck the cheeks in underneath the eye. Let's start on the bottom left. And draw an oval, going all the way around, and just tuck that in. Now let's move to the center and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to curve this up, and then down. Go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, going up and down. Now along the top, draw a straight line going across the teeth. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start on the left side of the eye. We're going to curve this up, round up the center, go across, and then down. And then we'll add those hair bangs. We're going to start right in the middle, angle this down toward the left, go across and up, and then we'll taper that up towards the top. Let's add a shorter one coming down on the right side. Let's extend the hair coming down the side. We're going to start with a straight angle line coming down and out. Let's curve the bottom, coming down and then in. Now from the inside, we're going to draw a straight line going up around the eye, and then we'll bend that in along the top. Now we're going to go back to the left side and close off the bottom of the head. We're going to start on the left, curve this down underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up. Let's add the top of the band. We're going to start on the left, bend this up higher in the middle, go across, and then back down. Now from the center of the hat, draw a straight line going up towards the top of the head, angle this up and then out towards the left, and then the right side. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to bend the hat going out and then down towards the bottom point. Now from the bottom, we're going to curve the inside of the hat. We're going to go up and then bend that down towards the side of the head. Let's add a small circle on the bottom of each point. All the way around and then back up. And then we'll add those thick stripes across the hat. From these 2 points, we're going to bend this in and then down. Now going out to the point, we're going to go up and we'll bend that down towards that trim. Let's line this up on the right. Going up and then down towards that point. Now, underneath the head in the center, let's draw on the collar. We're going to start by angling this down and out on both sides. Curve the bottom of the collar, going out and then up underneath the head. Now, from the side of the collar, we're going to draw a large circle for the shoulders. We're going to go all the way around toward the bottom, go up underneath the hair, go up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming around and in, going up on the outside underneath the hair, continue up and in. Now underneath the shoulders, we're going to add a curve for the trim. Come down and then up on the inside. Let's add those stripes, starting from the top, then it's in and then back out towards the bottom. Go back up to the top, then it's out and then in towards the bottom. Now we want to layer the left arm on top of the body. So we're going to start from the outside, then it's down and then up towards the wrist. Step down, add the cuff, going up and in. Let's trace out the inside of the arm, coming down and then up. Let's round up the side of the cuff and then close off the outside. Now from the bottom of the cuff, let's draw the palm, coming down and up. And we'll add the first finger, coming down, round out the finger, and then bend that back out. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind, going all the way around and then in. Do that one more time, going back up towards the top of the cuff. Let's layer the right arm in behind. We'll start with the inside, bend the arm coming down and out in behind the hand. Let's step over, curve this down, and then up. Let's add the cuff, coming down and then up underneath. And then we'll draw the palm, coming down and out towards the first finger. Curve the finger coming down, up, and in. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind, going all the way around. And we'll do that one more time. Now from the inside of the cuff, we're going to draw the side of the body. Bend this in and then down in behind the arms. Let's move to the center and draw a half circle for the button. And then from the center of the collar, draw a straight line coming down. Now we're going to follow this line underneath the hand, draw a straight line coming down. Then it's out and up towards the left. Go up towards the right hip. Then it's in and then up underneath the arm. Now we're going to add a trim across the base of the leg. Let's start in the middle. We're going to go out, round at the side, and then back in. Go back to the center, going out towards the left, around, and then in. Let's draw 2 circles around the hip. Starting from the left, going all the way around. Just pull that up in the middle, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add those stripes. Curve this out and then in on the outside. Let's move in, curve this in, and then up. Now let's add the cuff underneath the leg. Come down and then up. On the left side, we're going to bend the outside leg coming down and then out towards the ankle. Let's step in and draw that again. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now on the right side, we're going to angle the leg coming in towards the knee. Bend this back out. Do the same thing on the outside. And then we'll round out the bottom. Now let's go to the side. It's going to bend the cuff going out and then down. Then it's out and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. Let's go over towards the right side. Just going to bend out the cuff. On the outside, bend this out and then down. On the inside, draw a short line coming down. Bend the foot coming in and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. Let's separate the cuff. On the left, curve this down and then up. Go to the inside on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Pomni from the amazing Digital Circus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.